Okay, what we have here is the maiden flight of the AR drone that I just got the other day. Okay. Oops. And there is kids everywhere, but it's okay. There's people everywhere, but they seem to be, so far, so as you can see, there's a camera right up front that's recording, so we'll see the quality of it. Let me bring it down a bit. Shit. Let's see how far I can get this to go. See, turns around. Oops. Technical difficulties. Gonna restart again. Let's see, I'm using this app right here. Unless the battery just died on it. Yeah, I think the battery must have just died. So let's give it a try. There it goes. Let's see if I could put this back in the box. It says it has 150 feet range. Let's see. I turn it this way. Let's see how far I could go without losing signal. Turn around. I don't want to go that far. It's pretty good. Let me see what it looks like from underneath. Uh-oh. Oh, battery low. I have to change the battery. And to change the battery is pretty simple. That's if you have an extra one, which I do. Okay. And okay, as you can see, it's pretty simple. It's like what do you call it? A plug and play. But you probably have to get another battery because, as you see, it doesn't really last too long in flight. Okay. So now, let me try this different. It comes with this additional body. Okay. Let's see. You can see the app starting. For some reason I'm taking forever for this app to start, but we'll try a different one. Okay. It's connecting to the drone, but the camera is not, for some reason, is not kicking in. I don't know why, but let's see what happens. I think this new hole is a little bit easier, lighter than this one. Let me see what it looks like in flight. For some reason it's drifting. Guess I have to learn that. I don't know why I can't get the camera to go, but that's okay. So far so good. I don't know why it's not going up higher, but okay, let me see if I could record. Myself. See how the quality of the drone camera is. Looks pretty steady. But it seems like the battery is draining pretty quick. You see, it's like already at 48%. Seems like it doesn't want to go any further than it is. Probably depends on signal from the phone. I'll try my iPad tomorrow. It's pretty cool. See, for some reason it doesn't want to go any higher. Maybe it's the signal from the phone doesn't let it go up, but I have to check on that. Oh, and the other thing is, there is also a camera on the bottom. I don't know if you can see, but it's right there, right in the middle. It looks down, so there's like 2 onboard cameras. Okay, let's go in for the landing because the battery is almost dying. So now, when it comes to landing, I couldn't land this thing if my life depended on it. But I'll give it a try anyway. Oops. Well, and there you have it. My initial maiden flight of AR drone.